we must pay homage to him.
Hi guys, welcome back. So we've got the majority of the grab taken away, still an extra about 8 tonnes to go. A little bit to dig off down in the Soakaway with the channel. Digger's also gone home, so going to have to dig this last bit by hand. Dug the majority of the Soakaway out last week, but still need an extra 200mm deeper to allow for 100mm shingle on the bottom, 100mm shingle on the top, and allow for our Soakaway in between. It's been dug out behind me, and so is the channel, all ready to be shingled, piped and soakaway fitted. Always a small problem on your way. After digging the soakaway out and starting to dig the channel, I found this lovely pipe to get under, so I have to dig lower to get around that. I'll probably replace it, as you can see it's put together shockingly, coming from the gutters over there. So yeah, I've gone around that. That will be replaced, or at least sorted out with a proper sleeve, all running down into the soakaway. Dug the area out, we're allowing for 100mm shingle soakaway and another 100mm shingle on top. Shingle in.